This video explains how to set the time on your GWG-B1000 watch. Hold down Mode button for about 2 seconds to return to timekeeping mode from any other mode. In timekeeping mode, press Display button to change the content on the digital display. Unlock and pull out the crown key to enter the setting mode. Now, rotate the crown key to change the home city selection. Press the Mode button to select the daylight saving time settings and use the crown key to change it. Use the Mode button to choose the minute setting and rotate the crown key to adjust it. Select the hour setting by pressing the Mode button and use crown key to change it. Push the crown key back in and lock it by rotating it away from you. For more tutorial videos, please subscribe Gshock Middle East and Africa YouTube channel and like our videos.